Choosing the right forecasting model is critical for accurate risk assessment. You'll learn here how to systematically compare multiple mathematical models to find the one that best fits your specific portfolio characteristics and market environment. Different forecasting models make different assumptions about market behavior. Geometric Brownian motion assumes smooth price movements. GARCH models capture volatility clustering. Jump-diffusion models account for market crashes. The wrong model can underestimate risk by 50% or more. Model comparison eliminates guesswork by testing which mathematical approach most accurately represents your portfolio's behavior. Before comparing models, verify your portfolio setup. Cell B23 shows your portfolio selection. B24 displays the portfolio name. B27 contains your current forecasting method. B29 shows the total portfolio value. Verify portfolio data and asset weights, adding 100%. The comparison will test multiple models against this specific portfolio configuration. Click Compare Models for this portfolio to begin. GARCH plus Jump-diffusion captures both volatility clustering and sudden market shocks, essential for crisis-prone portfolios. Regime-switching models handle market cycles, recognizing that bull and bear markets behave differently. Heston stochastic volatility accounts for changing market conditions. VAR models capture multi-asset interactions and dependencies. Results appear in a results comp worksheet. Each model shows key risk metrics, value at risk, expected shortfall, and volatility estimates. Look for consistency across metrics. Models that agree on multiple measures are more reliable. Pay attention to extreme scenarios. Some models may show similar average performance, but vastly different tail risks. The comparison ranks models by statistical fit and forecasting accuracy. The best statistical model isn't always the most appropriate for your risk management needs. Choose models based on your portfolio characteristics and risk tolerance. Conservative portfolios work well with geometric Brownian motion or Heston models. They provide stable, predictable risk estimates. High-risk or crisis-sensitive portfolios benefit from GARCH or jump-diffusion models that capture extreme events. Multi-asset portfolios with complex dependencies need VAR models to properly account for cross-correlations. Long-term strategic portfolios often require regime-switching models that recognize changing market environments.
Once you've identified the best model, implementation is automatic. The system updates your forecasting method in cell B27 and recalculates all risk metrics using the selected model. Document your model choice and rationale for compliance and review purposes. Run model comparisons quarterly or when market conditions change significantly. Market regimes shift, and yesterday's best model may not be optimal for today's conditions. Before starting, verify your portfolio data is complete and current. Missing price data or incorrect weights will skew results. Ensure correlation matrices are properly loaded if your portfolio includes multiple assets. If comparisons fail, check for extreme outliers in your price data or unrealistic portfolio allocations. Very small portfolios may not provide enough data for reliable model comparison. Proper model selection directly impacts your risk management effectiveness. Accurate models prevent both overhedging and underhedging. They improve capital allocation decisions and regulatory compliance. The time invested in model comparison pays dividends through more reliable risk forecasts and better portfolio performance. You now understand how to compare forecasting models and select the most appropriate one for your portfolio. Regular model comparison ensures your risk management stays current with changing market conditions. Use this powerful feature to build confidence in your risk assessments and improve investment outcomes.